Hello, Pong An. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, where are
And
you
you?
now? Yeah, I'm fine also. Teacher is also. Where are you? Are you in your house?
Yes,
Okay. Did you go to
I'm
school
in a
today?
desk.
Ah, you're in the desk. Very good. Did you go to school today?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, very good, girl. So, for today, we are going to have our new lesson. Sorry, teacher wasn't able to meet you last Sunday, right? We don't have class last Sunday because there is a storm here in my place. We don't have electricity. Okay, so now the weather is fine. That's why I was able to have class now because again, the weather is now good. Okay, here we go. So I'm going now to share screen with you. Okay, for a while. There you go. Okay, so we are, oh, sorry. So we are now at Unit 5, okay? Unit 5, because last Wednesday, we had Unit 4. So tonight, we will go to Unit 5. Okay, look at there. Okay, so about Unit 5, it is about favorite sport. Okay? Favorite
okay.
sport. Do you have a sport that is favorite for you? You you like favorite sport? You have sport that you like? Huh, Mary? Is there a sport that you like? Sport games.
I like,
I like.
I love, let's see. I like, table tennis.
Oh, you like table tennis. So you will say my favorite sport is
Sport
table
is
tennis.
tennis.
Okay, very good. That's your favorite sport. So I think you are already very good at table tennis. So here we go. So look at here, Pang An. Okay, I have here an activity for you as our warm up. Okay, before we start discussing our lesson, let's do first a warm up. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
so this one, choose and circle. So complete the story. My favorite sport is basketball. So here you are going to complete the story here. Okay, for a while. Why there's nothing here? Wait ah. Okay, so you will say a or an. Okay, a or an. Oh, wait. It's not a and an. Like, okay, for a while. So here, you cannot see it, man. What happened here? Okay, let's just be, listen, here, we'll not just answer this one, but I will teach you or I will let you understand why the answers are here. Because here, I don't know with the materials, there's something wrong with the materials. You can see the choices. So here, it gives you already the correct answer. So let us first read the story about my favorite sport, okay? Is it okay? We will read the story. Okay, so go. Please read the story. My
favorite sport is basketball. It is a fun sport.
good.
There is a basketball um
Court.
court at school. My friend and I play basketball. We we, we
Dribble.
we dribble the ball.
We
We pass the ball.
we
We we
catch.
we catch the ball.
We
We we
shoot.
we
There's
shoot the ball into the
whoop.
hoop.
Okay. We
We like we
pass.
like basketball very much.
Okay, so here, instead of answering this one, teacher Jessa will just explain to you why these are the answers, because I guess there is a problem with the material. It will, if I'm gonna click it, it will give answer directly. It will not let you choose. So here, let's try to explain this one. So my before that, I will say, very good, Pong An. You read it very well. Very good in reading. Okay? Next. So,
Okay.
let's do this one. So, my favorite sport is basketball. What's the favorite sport of the guy? What's his favorite sport? It's
My favorite sport is uh,
this one, the story. Listen, this story. What is the favorite sport of the story? It is bas It is basketball. What's the favorite sport?
basketball.
Yes.
Basketball.
Okay. So here, a or an. The answer here is a because listen to teacher. Because the word next to a is fun. It starts with a consonant vowel F. Okay? Vowel F. Consonant letter F. But if it is a vowel, you will answer an. But since F is a consonant like B, like C, D, G, H, M, P, Q, R, S, T, like K, like L, like that. If it's like that, if it's consonant, you will use a. But if it's A, E, I, O, like, okay, teacher will write. If it's A, E, I, O, and you will answer a or an. Okay? If the word starts with a and A, E, I, O, U, you will write an here. But if it is a consonant letter, you will use a. Okay? Consonant. Letters that is not found in here in A, E, I, O, U, you will answer a. Do you understand? Understand, Pong An?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, again, if the letter next to it starts with A, E, I, O, U, you will answer an. Okay, an. But if it's not A, E, I, O, U, you will answer a. Okay? Like a fun sport. The word fun starts with letter F. Okay? The word fun starts with letter F, and F is not found here. Right? No F here. So, it's not an, but it is a. Okay? Get it?
Okay.
Okay, next. There is and are a basketball court at the school. So the answer here is because if we use is, it's only one basketball court, only one basketball court. But if you will say many basketball court, you will answer are. Understand?
Are.
Okay.
Yes.
Are if it's many, but if it's only one, you will answer is. Understand?
Is.
Is. Okay. Next.
Is.
Yeah. My friends and I play basketball. So the answer here is play, not place, because play is a plural. Okay? Plural verb. If we say plural verb, it's many. Okay? Like friends and I. So many friends and then you, I. So it is plural. So the answer is play. No?
Play.
Yes, yes. And then we pass the ball. Pass, we is also plural. So we will use a verb pass that is in the plural form or many. Plural means many. Okay, so that explains why we have this kind of answers. All right. Next. Look at this one. So let's try to answer if it is a true or false. Now look at number 1. Look at number 1. Please read sentence number 1. Basketball
Basketball is a Finn's favorite sport.
Okay, basketball is Finn's favorite sport. True or false?
Um,
Basketball is Finn's
four.
favorite sport. Oh, true is correct. False is not correct. So the story here, look at this one. The story here came from this story. Okay? Oh, the question in the next slide came from here. So I will read it for you. Okay? Teacher Jessa will read it again for you so that you'll understand. Okay? So this is the story of Finn. Okay? This is Finn. Finn said, my favorite sport is basketball. So basketball is the favorite sport of Finn. It is a fun sport. So he likes basketball because he thinks it is fun. Okay? There is
Yes.
a basketball court at school. Where can we find the basketball court? Where's the basketball court?
Yeah. Basketball.
Oh, where? Where is it?
Uh,
In the house, in the school, or in the park? Where is the basketball?
in school.
In the school. Yes. Friends and I play basketball. So Finn plays together with his friends. Okay. We dribble, and pass the ball. So that is the story of Finn. Now here, how about let's answer this warm up. Okay? Answer the warm up. Number 1. Basketball is Finn's favorite sport. True or false?
Two.
True. Yes. Very good. Number 2. There is a basketball court at home. At home. True or false?
Four.
False. Great. Finn plays basketball with his friends. True or false?
Four.
Finn plays basketball with friends.
Two.
True. Yes. Very good. Okay, it's true. Because in the story, it says Finn plays together with his friends. Not only him, but also his friends. Okay, done. Oh, vocabulary. So here are examples of different sports that you do. Look at the first one. Why it's dribble? God, it's not dribble. It's okay, look at the first one. This one is not dribble. Okay? There is something wrong in here. It's not dribble. It's kicking the ball. Kick. Kick. What's this?
Keeper.
Oh, kick. What's this? Not dribble. It's kick. This one is wrong. Wait. I'm gonna write. No. It's not dribble. It's kick. Look at this one. Oh, the boy kicks the ball. It's kick. What is this? Number 1. This one is kick. What's this?
Kick.
Kick. How about picture number 2? What is this?
Hit.
Hit. Okay, you're gonna hit it. Number 3, what is this?
Throw.
Throw. Number 4, what is this?
Pass.
The ball. And number 5, the same with number 1. What is this?
Kick.
Kick. So we have here kick. We have here hit, throw, pass, and another kick. So this one, the picture must be shown here is dribble. But here, the picture is not showing dribble. Dribble is like that, playing basketball. Okay? Dribble the ball. Bounce the ball. That's dribbling. All right. Okay, next. Look at this one. Oh, another sport. Okay, look. Wait. All right. Look at this one. What is the first one? This is
Pass.
catch. Okay, catch the ball. This one, what is this?
Swim.
Swim. This one, look at all.
Driver.
Dive. What's this?
Dive.
Dive. Very good. How about this one?
Head.
Head. Okay, you're gonna get the let the ball bounce it with your head like that. Head. And the other one, what is this? It's shoot. Okay, shoot. Shoot like that. This one is not showing a shoot. This one is showing kicking. There's something wrong again with the material. Okay, look at here. Look at here. Look at here, Pong An. So we have here dribble, kick, throw, pass, hit, catch, swim, dive, head, and shoot. So look at number 1. What is the answer in number 1? What is the boy doing in number 1?
Driver.
Look at number 1. Oh, picture in number 1. Kick. Very good. Very good. How about number 2? What is the boy doing?
Number 2 is a throw.
Is it throw? Someone throw the ball and number 2 do it like this. It starts with letter C.
Die.
Throw the ball and the number 2 will do like this. Get the ball. It starts with letter C.
Catch.
Catch. Okay, let me check if it's catch. Okay, catch. Number 3. What are they doing? I have here the ball and I'm gonna give it to you. It starts with letter P. What is that? P. It starts with letter P. Pa. Look at here. The choices are here. Dribble, kick,
Driver.
throw, pass, hit, catch, swim, dive, hit, or shoot. It starts with letter P. Pass. Pass. Okay. Look at number 4. It is using this one. Number 4. What's the answer? Look at that.
Head.
And very good. Number 5. Look, doing like that to the ball. Yes. Bouncing the ball like that. Like playing basketball.
Die.
Huh? It starts with letter D.
D.
Look at here. Oh, the choices are here. Dribble, kick, throw, pass, hit, catch, dive, head,
Dribble.
dribble. Very good. Dribble. Number 6. Look at number 6.
Dive.
It starts with letter H.
Hit.
Hit. Very good. It's hit. Number 7. Look at 7. I have here the ball and I will.
Dive. Dive or shoot.
No, not shoot.
Dive.
It starts with letter T.
One double.
It starts with letter T.
Dive.
Oh. T.
T.
Starts with T.
Throw.
Okay, throw. Look at number 8. Oh, I will. Look at number 8. Playing basketball. What is that?
Shoot.
Shoot. Great job. Very good. Number 9. I blank with my friends. In the water. Swim in with my friends. Great job. Number 10. We blank in the water. I'll jump there. Dive. Good job. Now, let's try to read from 1 to 10. Okay, Hoy. Look. Okay, Pang-an, let's try to read from 1 to 7. Go. What's number 1? Number 1. What's number 1?
Number 1, I kick the ball.
Number 2.
I catch the ball. I pass the ball.
Next.
I hit the ball.
Okay, next.
I dribble.
I dribble.
Dribble the
Next.
ball.
This one.
I hit the ball.
Next.
I throw the ball.
Next.
I serve the ball.
9.
I swim with
I
my
swim.
friends.
Mm.
We dive into the
Okay.
water.
Very good. Look at all. Kick, catch, pass. Okay, that's pass. Head, dribble. Look at the pungan. Hit, number 6. 7, throw. Number 8, shoot. Number 9, swim. Number 10, dive. Okay, what's number 1 again? What's number 1?
Kick.
Kick. Number 2.
Catch.
Number 3.
Pass.
Number 4.
And
Number 5.
dribble.
Number 6.
Hit.
Number 7.
Throw.
Number 8.
Shoot.
Number 9.
Swim.
Number 10 is?
Dive.
Very good. So those are examples of things that you do in the sport. Now look at word practice. What is word practice number 1? What's number 1?
Number 1 is soccer field.
Soccer field. Very good. Number 2. What's number 2?
Is basketball.
Okay, basketball court. Number 3. What's number 3?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Number 4. What's number 4?
Basketball field.
Baseball field. Again. What is it, number 4?
Basketball field.
Baseball field. Okay, first we have here soccer field. Next, we have basketball court. Third, we have swimming pool. And fourth, we have baseball field. So these are examples of places where you can do your sport. Okay? These are examples of places that you can do sport. sport. Now, here we go. Look at this one. Choose and write. Okay. Look at here. We have here soccer field. We have here baseball court. We have there swimming pool. We have here baseball field. Look at number 1. Look at number 1.
Field.
Number 1. Look at this one. There is a ball and a ring.
Basketball court.
Very good. Basketball court. How about number 2?
A swimming pool.
Very good, Pong-an. Swimming pool. How about number 3? Is it a soccer field or baseball field? Number 3.
Soccer field.
Soccer field. Great. And the 4th one is the
baseball field.
baseball field. Okay, number 1 again is basketball court. Number 2 is swimming pool. Number 3, soccer field. And number 4, baseball field. Okay, so again, how about this one? So here, you're gonna write if it's at or in. Okay? At or in. Now look at number 1. My mom is blank home. At or in?
Home.
At home. Very good. Number 2. She is blank the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Okay, in the kitchen. Great job. There is a baseball court blank school.
At school.
School. Great job. You know it. Number 4. It is blank the gym.
It is in the gym.
Hello. Great job. Very good. Very easy. At and in. Oh, how about this one? Oh, not yet done. We still have at and in. Okay. How about number 5? The boys are blank home.
The boys are at home.
The boys are at home. Great. Number 6. That is not my dad's car. Blank car is red.
His car is red.
Oh, in. Number 7. My teacher is blank school.
My teacher is at school.
At school. Come on. Okay. Number 8. He is blank the classroom.
He is in the classroom.
He is in the classroom. Very good. You got it. You know the use of at and in. You got perfect score in here. Very good, Pong-an. Oh, here we go. So grammar practice. So in circle, if it's a or an, and then 0 if it doesn't need it. Okay? Okay? Look at number 1. We play a or an or nothing soccer event. We play soccer. Next, number 2. Amy has blank orange in her school bag. What is the answer? A or an?
An.
An. Come on, let me check. Okay, very good. It's an. How about number 3? My favorite sport, blank, swimming. An or nothing? Not there.
Or swimming.
My favorite sport, swimming?
An.
My favorite sport, swimming?
Oh.
Oh, means nothing because my favorite sport is swimming. Okay. There is this one. There is blank big swimming pool in my neighborhood. What's the answer? A or an? There is
Big.
A or an?
Big.
A big. Okay, great job. There is a big Swimming pool in my neighbor. Okay. Okay, writing practice. Write the words in the correct order. So I have here words in any order, or they are disarranged, not in a complete arrangement. Okay, not yet arranged. So here you are going to arrange this one to form a correct sentence. Okay, look at number one. Number one. My
favorite sport is soccer.
Oh, okay. Soccer. Okay. My favorite sport is soccer. Okay. How about number two? What is your answer in number two?
It is a fun sport.
It is a fun sport. Wow. Very good. Next, number three. What is number three?
We kick the ball.
We kick the ball. Okay, let me try to check if your answers are correct. Look at number one. My favorite sport is soccer. Okay, very good. You got number one. Number two. Number two, it is a fun sport. Very good. You're very good in grammar. Next, we kick the ball. Wow, you've got three correct answers. You are very good in grammar. You are very good in sentence. Okay? Very, very good. I like it. Next. Sorry. How about this one? So, here, you are going to tell, for a while, I'm going to remove this. Okay, listen, choose and complete the chart with the sentence and use a be verb when necessary. So you can use the word is, are, or an. Okay? Okay, Pong An? Look at
Okay.
Number one. You can use the
Number
word hit,
one.
throw, play, or catch. Okay, I'll give number one as an example. Look at this one. Number one. Dodgeball is, you put the be verb is, my favorite sport. Okay, dodgeball is my favorite sport. How about number two? What will you say in the number two? It is or it are?
It is a wonderful sport.
Okay, it is a wonderful sport. Number three, my friends and I blank it in the gym.
My friend and I play it in the gym.
My friend, wow, very good. My friends and I play it in the gym. How about number four? My friends and I blank the ball.
My friend and I
Look at here.
hit the ball.
Hit the ball.
Catch the ball.
Catch the ball? No. You do like this.
The ball.
Throw. What's that?
Hit the ball.
Hit is like this.
I play the ball.
Oh, play is already done. You use already the word play. What's the answer? Throw or catch? You'll do like this. Answer is?
Catch.
Oh, catch is like this. Throw like that. So we throw the ball. Number five. My friends and I try to blank others. Hit or catch? My friends and I try to...
My friend and I try to hit.
You try to hit others.
friend and I try to catch the ball.
Okay, very good. My friends and I, or we, try to catch the ball. So let's try to read 1 until 6. Go. 1 to 6. Please read what's number 1.
Number
Dodgeball.
1 is soccer ball is my favorite sport.
2.
Number 2 is a wonderful sport.
Number 3.
Number 3, my friends and I eat in the gym.
We eat in the gym. Number 4. We.
We throw the ball.
Number 5.
We try to hit
Try.
over.
It's try. What's it?
Try
Try to.
to hit over.
Number 6.
We try.
Try.
We try to catch the ball.
Very good. Okay. Look at here. Word bank. Oh, there you go. Your answer. My favorite sport. What are your 2 favorite sports? Swimming. What's this? Basketball.
My
What's your
baseball.
base?
My favorite sport
Yes.
is swim.
Swimming. Again.
Is swimming.
Okay. How about my friends and I?
My friend and I
One.
kick
Kick the. What do you kick?
friend.
Kick the ball.
Kick the ball.
Oh, my friends and I kick the ball. Next, number 5. My friend and I.
My friend and I throw
Throw the ball. Again.
throw
Throw the ball. You say the ball. Throw the.
ball.
Okay. Next, my friend and I. This one.
Catch the ball.
Very good. My friends and I.
Hit the ball.
My friends and I.
Hit the ball.
Okay. How about you said you like swimming? My friends and I go.
Go swimming.
Okay, very good. You are very good in sentence construction. Okay. So this will be your homework. Okay. Teacher will give you a homework. I will just send it in the group chat. Okay. So your homework is look at the previous chart and draw and write your story. So you're going to tell, Swan Pongan, you are going to tell what is your favorite sport. You'll say, my favorite sport is table tennis. It is a fun sport. Okay, and then you're gonna write here, what do you do with your table tennis or swimming or basketball or baseball? It's up to you. As long as it is about sport. Okay? Understand, Pong-an? Okay. You are going to tell me about your favorite sport. Okay? Okay? All right. So, that would be all for today. And teacher will say goodbye. Okay, very good, Pong An. Great day. Okay, bye-bye.